Imagine never vacuuming or mopping your floors again. In 2026, robot cleaners have become smarter, more powerful, and more autonomous than ever before. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums and mops of 2026, ranked for cleaning performance, navigation, automation, and value. Stay until number 1, because the winner could completely transform how you clean your home. Number 5. Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro. The Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro is a premium 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop designed to deliver a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Equipped with advanced PowerDetect technology, it automatically senses dirt, floor type, edges, and corners to optimize suction and mopping performance in real time. Its powerful cleaning system easily removes dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors, while the intelligent mop automatically lifts over carpets to prevent unwanted moisture. The innovative NeverTouch Pro base takes convenience to the next level by automatically emptying the dustbin, refilling the water tank, washing the mop pad, and drying it after every cleaning cycle, reducing maintenance 4 weeks at a time. Advanced LiDAR navigation and obstacle detection create accurate home maps, allowing efficient room-by-room cleaning with customizable schedules and no-go zones through the Shark Clean app. The robot also features never-stuck technology to climb over thresholds and avoid getting trapped, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning throughout your home. With strong suction, smart automation, anti-odor technology, and reliable navigation, the Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro is an excellent choice for busy families, pet owners, and anyone looking for effortless daily floor care. Its combination of intelligent cleaning, automatic maintenance, and premium features makes it one of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop systems available today. Number 4. Samsung Bespoke bought Steam Ultra. The Samsung Bespoke bought Steam Ultra is Samsung's most advanced robot vacuum and mop, combining powerful AI-driven cleaning with premium automation for a truly hands-free experience. Equipped with AI object recognition, LiDAR navigation, and advanced 3D sensors, it intelligently detects furniture, cables, pets, and even liquid spills to clean efficiently while avoiding obstacles. Its powerful suction and dual spinning mop system deliver deep cleaning on both carpets and hard floors, while AI Floor Detect automatically lifts the mop when carpets are detected. The Clean Station Steam Plus takes maintenance to the next level by automatically emptying the dustbin, washing the mop pads with hot water, sanitizing them with high-temperature steam, and drying them with warm air for improved hygiene. The upgraded Easy Pass wheel system helps the robot climb thresholds and move smoothly between rooms, while SmartThings integration allows users to schedule cleaning, monitor progress, and control the robot remotely using voice commands or the mobile app. Samsung Knox Security protects user data, making connected home cleaning more secure. With intelligent navigation, premium self-cleaning features, advanced steam sanitation, and seamless smart home integration, the Samsung Bespoke bought Steam Ultra is one of the most innovative robot vacuum and mop systems of 2026, making it an excellent choice for busy households and pet owners. Number 3. Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 robot never-stuck technology. The Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 robot with never-stuck technology is a powerful robot vacuum and mop built to deliver intelligent, hands-free floor cleaning. Featuring advanced PowerDetect technology, it automatically detects dirt levels, floor types, edges, and corners, adjusting suction and mopping performance in real time for maximum cleaning efficiency. Its powerful vacuum removes dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors, while the smart mop system scrubs tough stains and automatically lifts over carpets to keep them dry. The innovative never-stuck technology allows the robot to climb over thresholds, rugs, and small obstacles with ease, reducing the chances of getting trapped during cleaning. Advanced LiDAR navigation creates precise home maps for efficient room-by-room cleaning and reliable obstacle avoidance. When paired with the NeverTouch Pro base, the robot can automatically empty its dustbin, refill its water tank, wash the mop pad, and dry it after every cleaning session for weeks of low-maintenance operation. Through the Shark Clean app, users can create cleaning schedules, set no-go zones, and control the robot remotely from anywhere. Combining intelligent navigation, powerful suction, advanced mopping, and industry-leading automation, the Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 robot with NeverTouch technology is one of the best premium robot vacuum and mop systems for busy homes and pet owners in 2026. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. The iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max is a premium robot vacuum and mop designed to provide powerful, intelligent, and low-maintenance floor cleaning. Featuring iRobot's advanced dirt detect technology, it automatically identifies heavily soiled areas and performs extra cleaning passes for a deeper clean. Its powerful suction effectively removes dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors, while the smart mopping system scrubs hard surfaces and automatically retracts the mop pad when carpets are detected, keeping rugs dry. The auto wash dock enhances convenience by automatically emptying the dustbin, refilling the robot's water tank, washing the mop pad, and drying it after each cleaning session, allowing weeks of hands-free operation. Precision LiDAR navigation and intelligent mapping enable efficient room-by-room cleaning, obstacle avoidance, customizable no-go zones, and personalized cleaning schedules through the iRobot Home app. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, the Roomba Combo 10 Max integrates seamlessly into any smart home, combining powerful suction, intelligent navigation, advanced mopping, and fully automated dock maintenance. The iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max is one of the best premium robot vacuum and mop systems of 2026, making it an excellent choice for busy households, pet owners, and anyone seeking effortless daily cleaning. Number 1. Roomba Max 705 *. The iRobot Roomba Max 705 Vac Robot Plus Auto Empty Dock is a high-performance robot vacuum engineered to deliver powerful, intelligent, and hands-free cleaning for modern homes. Equipped with advanced Clearview Pro LiDAR navigation, it creates accurate maps of your home, cleans in efficient rows, and intelligently avoids furniture and everyday obstacles. Its powerful suction system effectively removes dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors, while anti-tangle dual rubber brushes are specially designed to minimize hair wrap, making it ideal for homes with pets. The included Auto Empty Dock automatically empties the robot's dustbin to every cleaning session, allowing weeks of maintenance-free operation. Smart Dirt Detect technology identifies heavily soiled areas and automatically performs extra cleaning passes for a deeper clean where it's needed most. Through the iRobot Home app, users can customize room-specific cleaning, create schedules, set no-go zones, and control the robot remotely. It also supports voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for convenient hands-free operation, combining powerful suction, intelligent navigation, automatic dust disposal, and smart home integration. The iRobot Roomba Max 705 is one of the best premium robot vacuums of 2026, offering reliable, effortless cleaning for busy families and pet owners.